Here I have Jaecoo 5, and on this example let me show you how to enable or disable auto-folding side mirrors on Jaecoo cars. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Jaecoo infotainment system. Then you need to find and select the settings icon. It's located right here at the top right corner. Afterwards, let's use the left menu. On the left menu, you need to choose the vehicle settings. Then on the vehicle settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and you've got the last option, which is the automatic folding. This toggle controls the automatic behavior of the exterior side mirrors. When switched on, right now I just switched on, the side mirrors will automatically fold inward against the doors when you lock the car, protecting them from being struck or passing traffic or pedestrians in the tight spaces. The mirrors will automatically unfold as soon as you unlock or start the vehicle. I think it's quite nice and one of the have-to features that you need to enable, so let me leave it like that. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.